Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today we're going to do something special for the 4th of July. I'm using my pastel pencils on a pastel board. A pastel board it's got almost like sandpaper type texture on top of a hard board instead of paper with extra tooth for the pastel to stick to. This is actually a solid piece of board. Um, on this, I'm drawing out an eagle, a bald eagle, um, and the eagle is carrying an American flag. Um, I'm kind of making up the background of it. I kind of worked off of a little statue that my father-in-law gave to my husband um, as my inspiration of the eagle part. And the statue that we have is actually landing on a flag, but I wanted to change it up to where the eagle is flying with the flag. Hopefully I end up capturing that idea anyways. I put in some soft purple mountains and water in the background as well. And a little bit of sky. I wanted a background, but I didn't want it to be the focus of the piece. So I used the pencils, and I used a silicone brush to blend it all out with. I call it a brush because it's styled like a paintbrush, but there's no bristles at the end. It's a piece of silicone. It actually does a really good job of blending um, the pastel and helps push it into the tooth of the board. I tried to use multiple different shades of browns and even a little bit of black to try and give depth and dimension to the feathers on the wings. For the beak, it had yellows and oranges, so I worked to try and blend the two, try to give a little bit more dimension as well. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.